guys remember Love269
And Cutebabygirl12345.
And today, Cutebabygirl12345 is gonna be eating some rocks and flowers. Leaves. I think, yeah, leaves, okay.
For no reason, because I'm bored.
Okay.
Okay, I'll get a small rock. I'll get this rock, and then I'll get some leaves here. These are green beans, I think. I'm not sure. Okay, so this is, I'm bored, so, and she dared me. Remember Love269 dared me. So, here I go.
And these are real. Look at them. Look at that. Look at, if they weren't real, it wouldn't feel hot. She swallowed it. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I hope you guys see our other videos. Bye.
See? I have nothing on me.
Say bye.
Bye.